Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and right now we're gonna demonstrate how to do the normal procedure, preliminary pre-flight procedures, as we mentioned in the previous video, where we've been carrying up the supplementary procedure, which was the electrical power up. So the preliminary pre-flight procedure on the 737 is very simple, and we start with the aft overhead. I just modify the sequence according to what is basically the procedure we do online, and which is done with a better flow. However, what we're gonna do, we start with the IRSS selectors, which we're gonna turn it on nav, and we verify only the lights are illuminated, and then the aligned lights. And after that we verify the oxygen pressure, which is totally fine today. And at the same times we run here and we check first we got oil quantity, and we can check also the hydraulic quantity on the 737. This is we carry up these checks every time we do the preliminary pre-flight, bearing in mind the oil level, the minimum to run the engines. I'm talking about this one is a 60%, and the approximate consumption is 2% per hour, more or less, just to keep that in mind, not to go below 60. And regarding the hydraulics, we just press system here, and we got the hydraulic here, which is supposed to be 76% per dispatch. And back to the our preliminary pre-flight. We just continue. Once we put it in nav, now they are blinking because they want us to set the position on the CDU. After we do this, we just go quickly down and we do a quick oxygen test. We verify that the amber cross will appear, and then we check the emergency button, and we see there is a continuous flow of oxygen. And meanwhile we have the flow of the oxygen, we check that there is not a big drop of oxygen pressure, otherwise that means that basically we need to call the maintenance. Done with this, basically we come back on the aft overhead, and we check the PSU lights is extinguished, GPS lights is extinguished, and all the lights associated here will be extinguished, depends on type of equipment the aircraft is carrying. And then we go service interphone has to be off, and then we check the engine panel is set to see all the lights are off, and the EEC are basically guarded, closed and blank. The crew oxygen has been checked, and the passenger oxygen is guarded and closed, no lights illuminated, and the 3 green lights. It's very important to show that the landing gears are down and locked. However, then we do for the flight recorder, that has to be guarded and closed with all flights illuminated, that's totally normal. And then we do the Mach high speed warning and a stall warning. Once we've been doing this, then we can go back on our seat, and we move backward to check that first of all the circuit breakers are in on the panel, there is no circuit breaker pulled, and at the same time we can check the fire extinguisher here, life vest, and we go up on emergency escape routes. And done with this, we check the crash axis in position, and as well here we check the life vest, escape ropes, and we see that all the circuit breakers are in. And as promised, we have done as well the preliminary pre-flight procedure, which will be completed once we set the parking brake. So if you like the video, please leave a like, and you can subscribe to the channel, and more videos will be coming shortly. Thank you.